Hey babies, Lady Borgia and welcome. We are getting into the Celestial Thunder. I can't help it. It's just in the name. Palette by Dominique Cosmetics. It is the palette that came in BoxyCharm this month, and I was super hyped as soon as I saw it because I think she's freaking beautiful. We're going to check out how she performs. We are doing Does the Lady Like It? And 3 looks, 1 palette, Celestial Thunder. So, let's get into it. I really want to, because the holidays are coming and everything else, I want to do like a party look, maybe like an everyday spruced up look, and then something else, especially since like this palette goes with it. And we'll talk all about what I feel about it at the end, because after 3 looks, I should really know how the hell I feel about it, right? Right. So we'll find out. Does the lady like it? Anyway, let's get going. Give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. And bing! Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I am doing each scheduled weekly and at least 1 bonus, if not more if I can, because it's the holidays. It is the time of giving. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's kind of cold and rainy today, so hence the flannel. So we're going to go for something warm and maybe during the day, and I'm going to go into Storm Dust, the 507. Morphe M507, I'm sorry. Okay, cute. And into Lunar Eclipse. Ooh. Very warm and cozy and pretty. It looks like the leaves outside my window. Okay, I think it's looking really nice and they blended really well. So far I'm going to take a clean brush, blend it out. Remember, this is just a nice warm daytime. You know, the ones I don't usually do. And then I'm going to go into Eternal Light with my finger. Ooh, that is pretty. Do I need to wet you? I don't want it totally crazy because it is during the day. I mean, not that I'm afraid of that, but I do wear normal looking things too, guys. It's snowing! Yes! Sorry, I'm originally from California. I've been living in the New York area. I live near Chicago, but I've seen snow for years and I will never get over it living in the snow. Sorry. Let me catch this up and let's move along. All right, you guys are gonna fall out of your chair, but I actually just have mascara on and no lashes. Seriously, probably the only look you're gonna see for a while like that. We're gonna go in with a big pop of blue. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of my highlighter, which is Tarte, I think, in Stunner. You know, similar shade to this. I think most of us have that. And just a little bit up here. Okay, we're gonna go back into Lunar Eclipse and just bring it around, connecting from the top. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and then we're gonna see what it looks like. And surprise! Yes, of course I have lashes on, guys. I mean, if you don't know, I don't have much natural lashes anymore because of some medicine for rheumatoid arthritis that's actually a chemo drug, but just a lower dose. So my eyelashes never really grew back after I got off that medicine. So yeah, I've got some falsies on. Sometimes they grow in the summer and surprise me, but no, I didn't do 0. Messing with you. But I think this is very pretty and I really like it. And the pop of blue is making me happy. So, okay. Now let's get going. Okay, eyebrows done and eyes primed with ABH primer. And we're going to go into Lucid Dream first. Woo, little kick. I don't mind a little kick. It's like a pretty raspberry. Okay, then I'm going to take Zero Gravity and the same brush, and we're just going to tuck it in here. Okay, it's taking a little bit to build. I wanted to get out a tighter brush and get it really in there. There we go, more definition. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that 506 and go back into the pink and start going back and forth a little bit with the pink and the gray, blending things out. So starting with Lucid Dream, the pink, getting it really tucked under there. And this little brush. All right, all blended out. I don't know how I'm feeling about this gray and how it blends so far, but I'm going to give it a chance. So we're going to go into a black matter, and it seems to be a purplish with some pink reflect. And I will use this brush because it came from a BoxyCharm. Oh, okay. Okay, she's okay, okay. And just take a thin line down to here. Kind of not all the way. We're going, remember this is more vampy, but out here. And we're pulling it out. Okay. Kind of fade that down. Okay, and back again into Lucid Dream because we're going to blend it out some. Just take that 506. And this is a light touch, just light. The black matter is blending way better than the gray. Okay. I could have skipped the gray. Ooh, okay. That was like effortless. Nice. Black matter rocks. Okay, and now we're going to go into this beautiful Eternal Light shimmer. And I have just a flat shader, Morphe 124. Ooh, ooh. Now you don't want to take this too high because we are blending it back and we're not cutting a sharp crease. So you want to concentrate it lower on the lid. In fact, I do want to see it with setting spray, or at least my brush wet. You know, you can use Visine, setting spray, whatnot. Okay, I'm excited. She looks really pretty. Oh, wow. I like her. I like her. She's pretty. Okay. There is a little bit of a line, but we're going to blend it. Just make sure it's concentrated about to here, the first 2/3. Ooh, yes. I'm happy now. Okay. Take your brush, black matter, and this is just a small angled crease brush. And lightly go forward. And then take a little bit of the Eternal Light on your finger from my lid and I'm just going to blend back and forth a little bit. Really towards the front is where you want that sparkling. And I'm really liking the black matter and the eternal light. These two together is really pretty. All right, I'm going to do the other eye, put some liner on, and we're going to go to the bottom and finish this up. All righty, we have lashes, a liner, winged out, black in the waterline. I got my Urban Decay Zero out. And we're going to go one more time back into Lucid Dream and Black Matter. Fluff it out a little bit. I don't want to hide that wing, but oh, yes! Just a little touch of this. Just around the edge. Oh, and I did add ethereal light. I just popped it on the brow bone and I realized they didn't record it. These are so pretty together. All right, and a touch of this pretty one. This one has a fair amount of kick in the pan. I know, I kind of forgive her because she's pretty and sparkly. Okay, time to finish it. I'll be back. Ooh, I feel like I have celestial thunder on my eyes. I'm like totally ready for like a vamped out holiday party. I feel like the front of this. Yes. Whew. It would be perfect if I wasn't wearing a t-shirt and my roots were done and I had a haircut. Otherwise, I really like this. But I have some thoughts that I'll tell you at the end. Next. All right. We're going to go start with some Mystic Ice. This teal matte shade. Morphe 507. It's about the same amount of kick as all of them. Right there. Ooh. She pretty. Now we're gonna go into Lucid Dream and make some fun colors. 507. Don't bring it all the way in, but you're gonna see a very pretty color from this. Pack that right over there. Because there should be enough blue in this teal, bluish green, and this red to make purple. I think I'm crazy, but I'm not. Yep, there it is. I'm starting to see it. And you're just going to gently blend like that. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. Don't go too far though, because then you'll just ramp it all together and it'll all be purple. Unless you want a matte purple in this palette, and then put these together and you have a matte purple. Okay, let me do this. Okay, clean crease brush, and we're gonna blend some of this out just very lightly. Ooh, look at that pretty purple and green. And we're gonna go into black matter. Don't cover up all the teal though, you want a little bit peeking out. Okay, she's pretty blended out, and we have our pops of teal left with the purple and whatnot. She needs some liner and lashes. Alright, we are Celestial Thunder, but we're not quite done yet. Ooh, I feel like all around here. Yes. Oh, sorry. Marc Jacobs Matte Gel Highliner in Miss Me. I love these things. They are awesome. Some ethereal light, this glittery stuff. Take it with your pinky and just pop a little up here and run it by. Okay, back into Mystic Ice. Little Lucid Dream. Okay, it's time to finish up. Ooh. And does the lady like it? So let's talk about this very quickly. I forgot to tell you, everything here is in eyeshadow except Lucid Dream, and that is a pressed pigment. Otherwise, they are different metallics and mattes and whatnot. Overall, I think the majority of them did really good. We used everything except this color right here. And I have a feeling she's probably pretty good. But of the ones that I used, the only one that I think really bombed was this Zero Gravity. Honey. No. I mean, she took forever to build up. She was, you know, This gray, no, she's got to go. I'm sorry. I will not go through that again to try to use this because this blends so well and you just need something else here. The only other thing is Eternal Light. She is very glittery and kicks up a lot in the pan, which, I mean, I don't really care about that. I keep my palettes pretty clean, although this messed with me the whole time. I kept trying to wipe it off. But she is very sheer, which does work really well. Glittery and sheer, you can see it up here, so it's not going to be intense. But I really liked it as a lid for like a daytime color because it's not like in your face glitter. Not that I wouldn't wear that, but it's nice. So, does the lady like it? Yes, the lady likes it. These blend beautifully. These two colors, the way they shades, the way they did this pigment and this matte eyeshadow, make a beautiful purple. I love Black Matter. That is a sick color. And the beautiful, so, okay. That's all. The lady likes it. I gotta go. The video is now over. I love you all. And there's going to be lots more coming. Like I said, we've got, oh my gosh, so many. Anyway, I love you all. I'll see you very soon. Lady Borgia.